Good morning, everybody. I'm making some planned over egg muffins this morning. All right, so most of you know that I am gluten-free, and so I wanted to make some planned overs. And so with the new job that I have, it's hard to cook a good meal with the time constraints that I have. So what I'm doing is I'm making some egg muffins. With some bacon and some spinach, cheese, and everything. So what I have here is silicone mold with that I've greased. I've got using 12 eggs, but for a normal this size, you want to use 6 eggs there, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I like to use a blend of cheddar mozzarella, the Mexican style blend. I like the different cheeses there. About 2 cups of spinach, wilted. You can saute them and cook them down, or just wilt them in the microwave. I did mine in the microwave, and I'm using a 1/2 pound of bacon, cooked and crumbled. So you can add or subtract any of these things that you want. The cheese already has enough sodium in there for me, so I'm going to omit the salt, but I do like pepper in there. And a few of them, I have these little cherry tomatoes that I'm going to cut up and put in a few of them that I'm not going to freeze. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all this stuff up together in my bowl here with my whipped eggs, and let me get to doing that. Okay, so it's all in there. My daughter made these for us when she lived in Virginia, and also when we got stuck out in Oregon at the beginning of the pandemic. There were 7 of us living in this house because my sister, my mom, and I couldn't get back to the East Coast. And so this made a good, easy meal for everybody to just grab and go. So now that I got it all mixed together, I'm going to pour it into, I'm actually going to use a ladle and dip it into the muffin pans. Sorry that I had to cut you guys off like that, but I forgot to put something underneath my silicone. I needed to go grab a cookie sheet. So I have them filled up now with that egg mixture, and then I added the cherry tomatoes in on those right there. And these are just the spinach, bacon, and cheese ones back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some mozzarella cheese and sprinkle that on top of them. All right, so I have the mozzarella cheese on top, and you can use cheddar or parmesan. I think my daughter used parmesan cheese on hers, but I had mozzarella, so that's what I was going to use. Got it to make some lasagna. But here we go. Now I'm just going to get these in the oven to bake, and it takes about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. They're almost there. All right, they're out of the oven. And once you take them out, well, one thing I want to point out here is, I like a little bit of brown on top of them, but you don't have to. You can go ahead and take them on out. Alright, so I need to wait about 30 minutes before removing them from the pan, but I decided since I'm using silicone, I'm going to go ahead because this is going to be breakfast for me. And they're very easy to pop out of the silicone. Now, if you were using the metal pans, it wouldn't be so easy right away. And let me grab this one. Whoops. One-handed, it just doesn't work too good. Alright, sorry guys. Okay, well anyway, hold on. Alright, so on just a second, let me show you. It was kind of slippery there, so but very nice. Bon appetit. Y'all enjoy your day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and the recipe is down below in the description. Bye-bye now.